Hello, welcome to the class please. So here is our complex number chapter. So the first question is the value of summation of n is equal to 1, 200, I to the power n is equals to, here are options. Option A is 50, option B is minus 50, option C is 0 and option D is 100. So here first we have to calculate this value. Okay, first we have to calculate this. See how summation of n is equal to 1 up to 200, I to the power n can be written as what? I plus I square plus I cube plus so on to, I can write it as I to the power 200, right? So if you look at this, this is in the form of what? I can write it as I plus I into I plus I into I square plus so on, like this, right? So that is what? A plus AR plus AR square plus so on. It means this sequence is in form of what? Geometric progression, right? So we need to find the sum of this. So the formula is what? Sum of n terms is equal to 8 into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. So here my a value is I, that is, and common ratio r value is also what? It is I. Okay, so by taking this we use the formula, that is Sn is equal to sum of n terms. So here the n value is what? 200. So put S of 200, that is equal to what? A value is I into bracket 1 minus r value is I to the power 200 divided by 1 minus r value is what? I. Okay, that is equal to a sum of those 200 terms is equal to I into bracket 1 minus, you know that I to the power square is what? Minus 1. So I to the power 2 whole to the power 100 I will get what? I square value is minus 1 whole to the power 100, that is equal to what? Plus 1. It means I to the power 2 into 100, that is will be what? I to the power 200 equal to what? 1, that is will be 1 divided by 1 minus I. So finally I got those sum of 200 terms is equal to I into 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by anything is 1, that is 0. So here my option C is correct. So here is my second question. So if 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I to the power m is equal to 1. So this is asked in kcet 2017. So then the least value for m is. So here look at the option A is 1, option B is 4, option C is 2 and option D is 3. First you have to calculate this value. Okay, so that is 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. I will rationalize the denominator as 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I into rationalize the denominator, that is 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I. Just interchange the symbol. That is equal to what? 1 plus I whole square divided by, this is in the form of what? A minus B into A plus B format, that will be A square minus B square, that is 1 square minus I square, that is equal to 1 plus I whole square divided by 1 square is 1 minus I square value is minus 1, so minus of minus is a plus, that is equal to 1, right? And now it is in the form of A plus B whole square expanded, that is 1 square plus iota square plus 2I divided by 1 plus 1 is 2, that is equal to 1 square is 1, I square is minus 1 plus 2I divided by 2. Again plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, you will get 2I divided by 2. Again 2 get cancelled, you will get I. Therefore my whole value of this is equal to what? I. Therefore I need 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I whole to the power m must be equal to 1. So already I got this value, that is I to the power m is equal to what? 1. Now for what value of m, your value will get 1, which is least one. So if I take 1, it never gets, I to the power 1 is not equal to 1. So from all these options I can get 4, that is I to the power 4 is equal to what? 1, because I square to the power 2, that is equal to I square value is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is equal to what? 1. So ultimately option 4 will be the right answer. Here is your third question, which is asked in kcet 2016, right? So the question is, the simplified form of I to the power n, I to the power n plus 1, I to the power n plus 2, I to the power n plus 3 is equal to, option A is 0, option B is 1, option C is minus 1, and option D is 1. Let's check out this. So I can write my question as I to the power n plus I to the power n plus 1 plus I to the power n plus 2 plus I to the power n plus 3, right? Let us take out I to the power n as common factor here. So left is what? 1, plus if I take I to the power n outside, it will be I, plus this will be I square, plus this will be I to the power 3, right? So that is iota to the power n is equal to 1 plus I square value is what? Minus 1, right? Plus I cube value is what? Minus I, and that is equal to I to the power n into bracket 1 plus I minus 1 minus I. So here plus I minus I, 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, therefore it is I to the power n 0. 0 into anything is what? 0. So here my absolutely option A is right, right? So check out this.